This is going to be a video tutorial on how to view the driver update history in Windows 11. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To view your driver update history in Windows 11, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go down to my taskbar down here, down to my little start icon. I'm going to right click on the start icon. I'm going to go up to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the dialog box that opens up here, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Windows Update. Then on the center pane, up towards the top, it tells you if you're up to date. There's a button over here to check for updates. Down here you can see there's Update History. You want to click on Update History. Now at the very top up here it tells you any featured updates. It says I had one featured update. Down below that it says quality updates. You could scroll down through there. If I close this quality updates, the next thing down is driver updates. I'm going to click on driver updates, and you can scroll down through here and you can see any driver updates. That is how to locate your driver updates in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.